If you are wondering if you can charge other devices using your OPPO Find X9, then the answer is yes. We can charge other devices wirelessly and with a USB cable. In case of a wireless power sharing option, we need to go to settings and go to battery. Now over here, scroll all the way down and choose charging settings, and you should be able to find reverse wireless charging option, which can be easily enabled and disabled. Over here, we can also choose when the reverse wireless charging option should be disabled, whenever you drop to, for example, 25% or more. And also, the reverse wireless charging option automatically disables if your phone does not detect a device to charge within 2 minutes. Besides that, if you connect two devices together with a USB-C cable, then in that case you can go to notifications. You might see a notification about USB connection or something like that. We want to go over here and make sure that reverse charging is enabled. And there we go. Now I'm charging my other device with OPPO Find X9. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.